I'm Diva and this is ID Explains. Fuckboy, noun. A word that describes an emotionally unavailable young male who's defined by lack of commitment to relationships but devotion to streetwear brands. The fuckboy's natural habitat is Instagram, where he'll happily DM loads of girls at once, hoping that he'll get at least one response for a date. This, my friends, is called a field day. A field day is when a young male would send an Instagram profile of a pretty young lady to the group chat, and then everyone in the group chat would gas you up like, hey, you've got this field day, come on boss. But don't expect him to stick around. Ghosting is a common trait of the fuckboy, and without warning, he'll leave you on red before you've even had the chance to analyze the text in the group chat. On the flip side, let's examine the cozy girl. In an ID article, Annie Lord describes the cozy girl as a streetwear-loving Depop babe who lives in exclusive collab trainers and puffer jackets and 90s vintage tracksuits. Cozy girls are so protective of themselves because they've been hurt. So yeah, fuckboys, you're all around, I see you, and you will not get over here. Not on this.